In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up payment gateways in WooCommerce for your online store, ensuring a seamless checkout experience for your customers. A smooth payment process not only enhances user experience, but also helps improve conversion rates and customer satisfaction. Let's dive into the steps to get those payment gateways up and running efficiently. First, let's navigate to the WooCommerce settings. Begin by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here you will find the WooCommerce option. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Settings. This page will give you a host of different options related to your store's operations. What we want to focus on right now is payments, so go ahead and click on Payments located at the top of the page. You are now on the Payment Settings page. Here, you'll see a variety of payment gateways listed, such as PayPal, Stripe, and potentially others that you might have installed or are considering. Each option comes with different features and capabilities, catering to various customer preferences. At this point, you'll want to enable the payment gateways you prefer. To do this, simply check the box next to each gateway that you want to be available to your customers. It's important to choose the gateways that best reflect your customer base. For instance, if a majority of your customers prefer using PayPal or credit cards through Stripe, ensure those are selected and enabled. Once your preferred gateways are enabled, it's crucial to configure them to ensure they work without a hitch. Click on the Setup or Manage options next to each gateway to enter the specific configuration page. Each gateway will have its own set of requirements and settings that you can adjust according to your needs. For PayPal, you might need to enter your PayPal email and API details. With Stripe, you'll input your API keys. Take this step seriously, as correctly entering these details will ensure transactions are processed smoothly. Follow the prompts and requirements for each gateway to complete the setup. If you need assistance, many gateways offer detailed documentation to guide you through any complexities. Lastly, after you've meticulously configured each gateway to your satisfaction, don't forget to save your settings. This step is vital to ensure all the changes you've made are applied. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Save Changes button. This action finalizes your setup, and you may want to test the checkout process from a customer's perspective to verify everything functions as intended. That wraps up our guide on setting up payment gateways in WooCommerce. Taking the time to carefully set up and configure your payment options ensures a reliable and user-friendly